Bitcoin was once just internet money for tech geeks, but now, entire governments are paying attention. The big question is, could Bitcoin actually replace banks? Take El Salvador. In 2021, they shocked the world by making Bitcoin legal tender. For millions of Salvadorans who didn't even have a bank account, that was huge. Your phone basically became your bank. But let's be real, it wasn't all smooth. Price swings and tech glitches made adoption tricky, and not everyone jumped on board. But here's the twist. While some countries look at Bitcoin, others are building their own digital money. These are called CBDCs, Central Bank Digital Currencies. Imagine the dollar or euro, but fully digital and completely controlled by governments. So now we've got a showdown, Bitcoin versus CBDCs. One is open, borderless, and nobody's in charge. The other is efficient, but centralized and controlled. Countries dealing with crazy inflation or unstable banking systems might see Bitcoin as a lifeline. Will Bitcoin fully replace banks? Probably not tomorrow, but one thing's clear, it's already changing how we think about money and who we can trust with it. And hey, this story is just getting started. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and let's explore the future of money together.